Hello, my dear students. How are you? I'm sure that you all are doing great and ready for the English class. Children, if you are ready, so let's just begin now. Well, yesterday in our Zoom class, we have started the topic that is adjective or describing word, right? So the word that describes about a noun or a pronoun, they are called as adjective, right? That is what we have learned yesterday, right, in the explanation part. Yesterday, I also give you some examples like how we can describe about a thing or a place or a noun, anything, right? We can describe about many things by using some special words, and those words are called as describing words because they describe the noun, that is a name of any place, person, animal or thing, right? So here now let's just begin by a small activity. So now I'm just going to show you few things and you have to tell me or you have to describe me about them. So let's see what all words you are going to use to describe about these things. First I'm going to show you a pen. A pen. So can you just describe me about this pen? Well, can you describe about it? Okay, so what is the color of the pen? It's a green pen. It's a green pen. So tell me how we have described about the pen. Which word is a describing word? Green. Yes, the word green is describing about the color of the pen. So this is a green pen. This green is an adjective word, right? And what else we can describe about it? It's a thin pen. It's a thin pen. So, which other word we have used for to describe about the pen? Thin. So, पेन का साइज या कैसा है? Thin है, पतला है. So, thin is a describing word, right? The pen is beautiful. The pen looks beautiful. So beautiful is again a describing word, right? Now let me just show you one more thing. Well, here you take this to your school. What is this? It's a water bottle, right? So can you just describe me about this water bottle? Well, this water bottle is blue and red in color, right? So what all things you can describe about the bottle? That is, it's a water bottle. It is blue and red in color, right? It has a different shape, right? It is short and still, right? Slit and short, right? So these things you can describe about this water bottle, right? Now let me just show you one more thing, and that is, here it goes. This you use to save your money. So can you tell me what is this? This is a piggy bank, yes, or it is having a shape like a letter box, right? So can you just tell me how you can describe about the piggy bank? Well, you can say that this is a red color post box or a piggy bank, right? And it is a small piggy bank. So the word small we have used as a describing word. The word red is also describing about this piggy bank, right? So these are some of the describing words that we are generally using to describe anything that we are having in front of us, like anything that you are wearing. So I can say you are wearing a beautiful cloth. So beautiful is a again a describing word. You look smart, so smart is also a describing word. You are cute, children, so cute is again a describing word. You are naughty sometimes, so naughty is again a describing word. But you are very intelligent, so intelligent is also a describing word, right? That is describing about you, right? So these are some of the describing words that we are using regularly on daily basis in our life. बट अभी तक आपको पता नहीं था कि आप ये सारे डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स यूज करते थे, राइट? अब आपको पता है, right? So now you can use more and more such describing words when you describe about something, right? So now today we are going to do some book exercises from lesson number 6 from your grammar book. So now please everybody be ready with your English grammar book, pencil and eraser, and in short while we are just going to start doing the book exercise. So hope that you all are ready, and here 1, 2 and 3 and we go. So we are going to do lesson number 6, adjectives, that is describing words. So all of you now open page number 28. Which page number? Page number 28 of your English grammar book. Which book? English grammar book. So just open it and here write down today's date and classwork at the top. Write down date and classwork. So now let's begin. Okay, adjectives, as I said that adjectives are also called as describing words because they describe about the nouns, right? So look at these sentences. This is a fat chicken. Can you see? It's a fat chicken. So what kind of chicken it is? Fat. Fat is a describing word. That is an empty box. So what kind of box it is? Empty, khali. So empty is again a describing word. These are new books. Books कैसे हैं? New हैं. So new is again a describing word. My shoes are black. What are the color of my shoes? Black. So black is a describing word. These mangoes are sweet. Mangoes कैसे हैं खाने में? Sweet हैं. So the sweet is again a describing word. The highlighted words like fat, empty, new, black, they and sweet are describing words. The word fat describes the chicken. The word empty describes about the box. The word new describes the books. The word black describes the shoes. And the word sweet describes the mangoes, right? So the underlined words are called adjectives. आपने देखा ये जो underlined words हैं, ये सारे adjective words हैं. Fat, empty, new, black, sweet, ये सारे adjective words है या फिर describing words है, right? So now please look at page number 29. ठीक है, अब हम पेज नंबर 29 पर आ गए हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डू सम ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज, राइट? सो लेट्स नाउ रीड इट आउट व्हाट इज रिटन हियर इन योर बुक. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. So just look at the pictures and read what is written below every picture, right? So here can you see this is a cup. Oh my God, it is full with tea and actually it's a hot tea. So कैसी चाय है? गर्मा गर्म चाय है, hot. ओके, आपको क्या करना है? वर्ड पढ़ना है और बताना है कि कौन से डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स यूज हुए हैं. कोल्ड ड्रिंक, ये ड्रिंक है, वाह, लेकिन ये ड्रिंक कैसा है? हॉट ड्रिंक है? नो, इट्स अ कोल्ड ड्रिंक, राइट? Okay, house, what it is? It's a house. And what kind of house it is? It's a small house. So small is a describing word. Tall man. Can you see that man? See, the man is so tall as compared to the small girl, the short girl, right? So a tall man. What kind of man? How is the man? He's a tall man. So the man, the word tall is describing about the man. Next, new shirt. Wow, what kind of shirt it is? It's a new shirt. Red flower. What kind of flower it is? It's a red flower. What is the color of the flower? It's a red flower, right? So now you have already seen the pictures, you have read them, and now you know that which words can be the describing words, because these words are describing about the pictures. Now write down the describing words used above in the given space. So can you tell me hot tea में कौन सा word describe कर रहा है tea को? Hot. Yes. So write it here in number A. Hot. Next one. कैसी drink है ये? Cold drink. So cold is a describing word. C-O-L-D. Cold. Now let's see the next one. Number C. Small. What kind of house is this? Small house. So small is a describing word. Next one. Tall man. What kind of man is this? He's a tall man. So tall is a describing word. T-A-L-L, tall. What kind of shirt it is? It's a new shirt. So new is a describing word. N-E-W, new. Wow, what kind of flower is this? It's a red flower. So red is a describing word, right? So here you can see so many describing words are there, like hot, cold, small, tall, new and red. Now let's come to page number 30. 30. Exercise number 2. Circle the correct answer. A. A monkey has a dash tail. So tell me what kind of tail the monkey has. Long tail or short tail? Which would be the appropriate adjective? कौन सी adjective, कौन सी describing word monkey को tail को सही से describe करेगा? Monkey का tail क्या short होता है या long होता है? Long होता है ना? So just circle this word. L-O-N-G, long. Right? L-O-N-G, long. Number B. A giraffe is a dash animal. Giraffe कैसा animal होता है? Tall animal या short animal? Tall animal, na? The tallest of all animal, right? So giraffe is a tall animal. So just circle this word. T-A-L-L, tall. Number C. An elephant is a dash animal. Can you tell me which would be the correct one? Just a second. Which would be the correct one? Big, small, which one? Let me just see. Yes, so elephant is not a small animal. In fact, the elephant is a big animal, right? So B-I-G, big. Circle the word big. Number D, the grass is dash. So what is the color of the grass? Is it green or black? It's green, certainly not black, right? So G-R-E-E-N, green. This is the right adjective for the grass, because the grass is always green. It can never be black, right? Number E, milk is dash. Whoa, the options are red and white. So milk, does the milk is red in color? No, never, right? Until and unless we put some red color into it, right? So milk is white in color. So just circle the word white, W-H-I-T-E, white. And number F is my pillow is dash. So how is your pillow? Is it hard or it is soft? Okay, it's soft. Oh, so circle the word soft. S-O-F-T, soft. My pillow is soft. Yes, our pillows are soft so that when we sleep on the pillow, not on the pillow, when we keep our head on the pillow, we feel so soft, right? So everybody hope that this work is done in all of your books. Great. Now let's do the next one. So now write down the correct sentences in your notebook. You don't need to write it down in your notebook because I will tell you that what you are supposed to write in your notebook. So don't worry. This you have to just do it in your book. That's it. Okay. Now exercise number 3. Match the describing words with the naming words. आपको देखो कुछ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स इस पिंक कलर के बॉक्स में दिए हुए हैं और कुछ पिक्चर्स भी दिए हैं, उनके नेम भी बताए गए हैं. What you are supposed to do? Then write one sentence on each. You have to write a sentence and you have to match them with the correct adjective. Right? One has been done for you. एक तो पहले से ही किया है. देखो तो पहले से कौन सा वाला किया हुआ था? Green. Yes. Green क्या है इसमें? Vegetables. Yes, so green is vegetables. So here already in number A it is written vegetables are green. So how are the vegetables? Green. So green is an adjective word, right? Now first let's match all 1, 2 and 3 pictures. Okay, so how is the sun? Sun is bright. Yes, so this would be the correct adjective word for sun. So please match it with the word sun and bright. They will match with each other, right? Now next one, cake. You all love to eat, I know that. So how is the taste of the cake? It's sweet. Yes, so mark it by drawing a line with the help of a scale. Just draw a line from cake to sweet. And the last one, shoes. Okay, the shoes are what in color? It's black in color. So just just draw a line by the help of your scale, and so that you can just match it and you can tell the correct adjective for the word shoes, right? Now let's make sentences from these adjectives and from the nouns that we have just matched them. So already it's done. Now let's do the next 3. So let's start with the word cake. The cake is sweet. How is the cake? The cake is sweet. Now what about the shoes? Those are black shoes. So we can write those are black shoes. So what kind of shoes are they? They are black shoes. So can you see how we are using these adjective words in a sentence, right? Now let's make the last one. The sun is bright. The sun is bright. So here we have used the word bright. It's an adjective. How is the sun? Bright. How are the shoes? Black. How is the cake? Sweet. And how are the vegetables? Green. So just see how we have framed or made sentences using one adjective word and one noun, right? Wow, so you have learned such a nice way of making the sentences using the adjectives. Can you see how easy it is? You must practice some more sentences at home. Tell your mama and papa to give you some noun words and adjective words and try to make sentences from those words, right? So this will help you to get better in this exercise, okay? Now come to the next page and let's do exercise number 4. Circle the describing words. Okay. Here once again the way we have done in our previous, can you see this one? We have already done this. Now here they are not one sentences. This is kind of one paragraph where there are 3-4 sentences all together. Now by reading a small story, you may say you have to underline or circle those words which are adjectives. ठीक है, जो इनमें से adjective words है उसको circle कर देना है. ठीक है, चलो पढ़ते हैं एक एक sentence करके. It is a sunny day. So what kind of day it is? Sunny. So sunny को circle करो. Now अब second sentence को पढ़ते हैं. Ruby, the little puppy, is playing in the field. रूबी जो कि एक छोटा सा पपी है खेल रहा है फील्ड में. सो रूबी कैसा पपी है? लिटिल. सो लिटिल इज अ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड क्योंकि लिटिल डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है पपी के बारे में. रूबी जो एक पपी है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, इट हैज अ शॉर्ट टेल। रूबी का टेल कैसा है? शॉर्ट। सो शॉर्ट इज अ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड। इट इज थ्रोइंग अ स्मॉल बॉल। ये कैसा बॉल थ्रो कर रहा है? स्मॉल बॉल. So small is a describing word, right? So these are some of the describing words that we have listed out from this paragraph, right? Now let's do the last exercise, that is an activity, right? So write the weather words under the correct pictures. देखो अभी आप वेदर फोरकास्ट करने वाले टीवी के एंकर हैं. अब आपको कुछ पिक्चर्स यहाँ दिए हैं और आपको बताना है कि ये डे कैसा डेज है. ठीक है, अब देखो यहाँ पर इस पिक्चर में ढेर सारे क्लाउड्स हैं. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डे इट इज? इट्स अ क्लाउडी डे. यस. नाउ टेल मी, यहाँ पर इस पिक्चर में क्या हो रहा है? जोर जोर की हवा चल रही है. कैन यू सी दिस? बहुत हवा है आज तो. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ डे इट इज? इट्स अ विंडी डे. हवा जब चलती है सो देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज विंडी डे, राइट? सो जस्ट राइट डाउन विंडी, WIND, विंड, और उसमें वाई लगा देंगे तो हो जाएगा विंडी. ओके, नाउ अब थर्ड पिक्चर देखो तो क्लाउड्स एंड रेन. सो इट मीन्स कौन सा डे है ये? इट्स अ रेनी डे, राइट? सो प्लीज राइट डाउन RAINY, रेनी. सो इट्स अ रेनी डे. ये पिक्चर्स हमें क्या बता रहे हैं? अलग अलग सिंबल्स हैं ये सब. ये वाला पिक्चर क्लाउडी, ये वाला पिक्चर विंडी, ये वाला पिक्चर रेनी. Now let's see this one. My God, sun in the sky shining very brightly. It means it's a sunny day, right? SUNNY, sunny. Okay, can you see this? Dark, dark clouds and white snow. So what kind of day it is? It's a snowy day. बाहर बर्फ गिर रहा है. यहाँ तो नहीं गिर रहा है, बट कहीं ना कहीं वर्ल्ड में तो गिर ही रहा होगा. सो SNOWY, स्नोई डे. नेक्स्ट वन, बाप रे, बिजलियां चमक रही है. थंडरिंग एंड लाइटनिंग along with rain and dark clouds. So what kind of day it is? Stormy day. आंधी और तूफान वाला दिन. Stormy. So stormy spelling is STORMY, that is stormy, right? So this one is cloudy, this is windy day, this is rainy day, sunny day, snowy day and stormy day, right? So that's it. Hope that you all have completed your book exercise. Now children, it's time to learn these book exercises and practice them. And apart from these book exercises, अब आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस करनी है. घर पर आपके चीज़ों को देखिए और उनको डिस्क्राइब करिए. जैसे आपकी ड्राइंग बुक कैसी है, आपका बैग कैसा है, आपकी टॉयज़ कैसे हैं, आपका घर कैसा है, आपकी स्टडी टेबल कैसी है, आपका गार्डन कैसा है. ये सारी चीज़ों को डिस्क्राइब करते हुए आप एक एक सेंटेंस अपने इन चीज़ों के बारे में लिख सकते हैं. और देखिए कि आप कौन कौन से डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ एन एक्टिविटी फॉर यू. आई एम गिविंग दिस एज अ होमवर्क. ये आज आपको होमवर्क करना है. अपने घर के चीज़ों को देखना है, स्पेशली आपकी फेवरेट चीज़ें जैसे आपकी बैग, आपके टॉयज़, आपका स्टडी टेबल और भी आपके जो फेवरेट चीज़ें होंगी, आपके कुछ फेवरेट क्लोथ्स, आपका गार्डन, आपके और भी कुछ पसंदीदा चीज़ें, आज मम्मा का बना हुआ खाना, राइट? तो उनके बारे में आप एक सेंटेंस लिखेंगे और उसमें एडजेक्टिव या डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड ज़रूर यूज़ करेंगे उन चीज़ों को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए. सो लेट्स सी आप कैसे डिस्क्राइब करते हैं उनको. इट वुड बी अ नाइस एंड एक्साइटिंग थिंग. आपको भी बहुत मज़ा आएगा इस एक्टिविटी को करने में, और इस एक्टिविटी को करने के दौरान आप बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे भी, राइट? So that's it for today. Hope you take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy and always keep yourself learning, and exploring. Take care. Bye.